I have finally completed a registration in company incorporation in CAC portal after a long while. Like, I started this registration on the 17th of October, and today is 4th of November before I was able to complete this registration. It was not that I did not make the necessary information or maybe fill the necessary details that I needed or did anything wrong, but because of the glitch that CAC was having on confirming payment. As you can see, I started this registration on 17th of October and it was approved same day. Like, the business or the company reservation was done on same day and I started the registration the same time. But guess what? After I've done everything, made payment for filing fee, I was not able to confirm the registration. Like, I kept having issues like this. Sometimes I'll just refresh and it will give me this unable to acquire JDC. I don't even know what this thing implies. And some other times it will just tell me that they cannot be able to fail to get company details. Some other times it will just stuck at this not submitted. It was on the 4th of October before, no, 4th of November before I was able to continue the registration. So in this video, I am going to take you through some of the challenges that I faced and how I was able to scale through it. Okay, sometimes you just say fail to fetch business registration. Some other times it will just say no payment found, as in a lot of things. So in this video, I'm going to take you through some of these challenges that I faced and how I was able to successfully complete my registration. So in case you are facing the same thing, or in case you have made payments and you don't know how to be able to retrieve your payments and continue your registration, you can stick around. In case you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification so that when we create videos like this, you'll be notified. Alright, let's get into the class. So the first thing to do is to go to your registration and click on the point that shows not submitted. Click on the action and then you click on continue registration or complete registration, and it will automatically bring you to these details: the company details, article of association, objective of just fill in all these things. I know you have passed through these steps before you made your payments but was not able to confirm it, so just go over it again. Then when it gets to the point that you are to make your payment, instead of clicking on remitter to make your payment, okay, this is your payment after you have filled everything. Instead of clicking on this remitter to make payment, okay, then look at this. It shows if you have made payment for this process, that is, if you have made payment for this process earlier, okay, you can now verify, you can manually verify the status of your payment with your RRI here. Okay, so if you have made payment earlier, what you have to do is just to go to your email address and get the remitter RRI code. Then click on this verify payment and put the code here. In case you don't have it, you can just go to your email and get the RRI code that you use for that payment that you made earlier. Put it here and remove all those mark in between the numbers. Just remove it and click on verify payment. Okay, so that's what I want to do now. Just remove all those mark in between it, hyphen between them, because it's going to actually make it, you cannot be able to verify it. Then you now click on verify payment status. Once the payment was actually successful the first time, it is going to show you this payment status is approved. Okay, so it actually shows that you have made payments previously for this. This particular stuff actually stuck me for more than 3 weeks of this registration. Like, I was just here going up and down, going left and right, and I don't know what next to do. So once you use this method, you can actually verify your payment. You are going to have your RRI code on your email address, the email that you attach to your CAC portal. Okay, so just go there and get the RRI code that you used for that payment and put it there manually. You can now verify your payment. After you have verified it, just click on continue, and then you can now make payment for your status report. Previously, I was not able to see this. I was not able to make payment for this. Okay, so once you are able to verify your filing fee, you can now continue with your stamp duty. So it now says check payment status or pay stamp duty. So just click on that check payment or maybe pay for stamp duty, and you can automatically pay for your FRIRS or maybe pay for your stamp duty. Okay, so I believe with this you can be able to complete your company incorporation or maybe your business incorporation. In case you are having this same issue, just use this method to verify your payments and you can be able to get your business approved. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, in case you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime we create videos like this, you'll be notified. All right, so have a beautiful day. Use this method, share it to anybody that is facing the same thing, and see you on the next one. Bye.